guys, Sandra Rains DeBusk, Sasquatch Girl, and author. Hey, thought I'd walk up here, use my camera, not my phone, and maybe see a little something. I have been looking for a, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I found them all, I guess. I was counting to myself. I had been looking for a trail cam. Hey, girly girl. What you doing rolling on your back? That's my BB. Anyway, thought I can't take stills as I record on here, but I thought I would, I don't know if you can see this footprint or not, but I've been seeing these up this hill. Okay, girl. And I'm pretty sure it's a Dogman. But you guys, I've been watching. Oh, I see little bird feathers. Look. Can you see that?